Fertilization is one of the most important biological processes in the cycle of life. It refers to the union of a male gamete, called sperm, with a female gamete, called the egg or ovum, to form a single cell known as the zygote. This zygote is the first stage of a new individual and carries all the genetic information necessary for development. In human beings, fertilization usually occurs inside the female body, specifically in the fallopian tube. The importance of fertilization goes beyond reproduction. It ensures the continuation of species and promotes genetic diversity by mixing the genetic material of two parents. This genetic variation is the foundation of evolution and the reason why children share traits from both mother and father but are never identical to either. Fertilization also triggers the beginning of embryonic development, setting in motion a series of cellular and biochemical events that transform a single cell into a complex organism. Understanding fertilization is not only scientifically significant, but also medically important, as it has helped in the development of fertility treatments such as in vitro fertilization, IVF. In short, fertilization is the biological spark that begins the journey of life. Reproductive systems and gametes for fertilization to take place, both the male and female reproductive systems must function correctly to produce and transport gametes. The male reproductive system is specialized for the continuous production of millions of sperm cells each day in the testes. These sperm are small, motile, and designed to carry paternal genetic material. They have a head containing DNA, a midpiece with mitochondria for energy, and a tail that allows movement. In contrast, the female reproductive system emphasizes quality and nurturing. The ovaries produce a limited number of eggs, with typically one mature egg released during each menstrual cycle through ovulation. The egg is the largest human cell and contains nutrients and organelles needed for early development. Once released, the egg is captured by the fallopian tube, where it awaits fertilization. The uterus provides the environment for embryo implantation and growth if fertilization occurs. Thus, the two systems complement each other. The male emphasizes quantity and speed, while the female emphasizes preparation and support. Together, they create the biological foundation necessary for fertilization. Journey of the sperm and the egg. The meeting of sperm and egg is a carefully timed and highly selective process. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are released into the female reproductive tract. However, only a few hundred manage to reach the fallopian tube, where the egg waits. Most sperm do not survive the acidic environment of the vagina or the barriers of the cervix and uterus. Those that survive rely on uterine contractions and chemical signals to guide them toward the egg. This long journey ensures that only the healthiest sperm reach the site of fertilization. Meanwhile, ovulation releases an egg into the fallopian tube. Unlike sperm, which can survive up to 5 days inside the female body, the egg is viable for only 12 to 24 hours. This short lifespan creates a narrow window for fertilization to occur. The egg is surrounded by protective layers such as the corona radiata and the zona pellucida, which not only nourish and protect it, but also act as barriers against unwanted sperm. Thus, both sperm and egg undergo remarkable journeys before they finally encounter each other in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The process of fertilization. When a sperm reaches the egg, the actual process of fertilization begins. First, sperm must undergo capacitation, a biochemical change inside the female tract that prepares it for fertilization. Once capacitated, the sperm releases enzymes from its acrosome, a cap-like structure on the head, to break through the egg's protective layers. The first sperm to successfully penetrate the zona pellucida fuses with the egg's plasma membrane. Immediately, the egg initiates a cortical reaction that prevents other sperm from entering, thereby avoiding polyspermy. After fusion, the sperm's nucleus enters the egg's cytoplasm and becomes the male pronucleus. At the same time, the egg completes its final stage of meiosis and forms the female pronucleus. These two pronuclei gradually move toward each other and fuse, combining their chromosomes to form a diploid zygote with 46 chromosomes. This single-celled zygote now carries the genetic blueprint for a completely new individual. The precision of this process is extraordinary, as even a small error could prevent successful fertilization or lead to abnormalities. Post-fertilization events and significance fertilization is not the end of the story, but the beginning of a new journey. After the formation of the zygote, rapid cell divisions called cleavage begin. These divisions transform the zygote into a multicellular structure known as the blastocyst within a few days. The blastocyst eventually implants itself into the uterine wall, where it receives nourishment and begins further development into an embryo. Fertilization also determines the genetic makeup of the new individual, including physical traits and even biological sex, which is decided by whether the sperm carries an X or Y chromosome. From a broader perspective, fertilization holds immense importance for science, medicine, and society. It helps explain the continuity of life and provides insight into infertility, genetic disorders, and reproductive health. Advances in reproductive technology, such as IVF and artificial insemination, are built upon the understanding of fertilization. Beyond science, fertilization represents the beginning of human life and carries cultural, ethical, and philosophical significance. In conclusion, fertilization is a precise